As you can see, haven't shaved in a while, looking for a barbershop. But Janet's sister's husband, Myke, they're gonna shear a sheep and we're gonna try to film it. So walking over to where the sheep is gonna be sheared. This is where all the sheep are. Is this where you put the sheep to shear it?
That's where we're gonna put her. Yeah, it's easier,
All right.
easier on my back.
All right. The sheep's name is Kelly. And this is the harness where the sheep is going to be placed to raise the level a little bit. That's Kelly. Kelly's trying to get away. And that's Kelly's friend.
Probably say that this is not a professional job. This is just cleanup.
This is just cleanup. Kelly hasn't gotten a haircut in a few years,
Yeah.
and I haven't gotten one in a few weeks.
This is pandemic hair.
Pandemic hair. Oh, yeah.
This is one of those things you should like stop motion maybe because it's kind of like watching paint dry.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So,
I'll stop motion it.
so
So Mike was right. I should have sped it up before, but I did, and it took a while to get the full sheep sheared, and you'll watch it here. And then I get to do it too. So seeing Mike, I got excited to try my hand at shearing Kelly, and I'm really slow at doing it because I did not want to nick the sheep. But Mike assured me that it was okay. It happens from time to time. It's not a big deal. And also, he told me about lanolin, which is a substance that comes from that's in the wool of sheep, and you can it coats your hands as you're doing it. If you pet a sheep, it'll get on your hands, and it's a nice moisturizer type substance that coats. It's like oily, waxy, and it coats your hands and it makes them really soft, and it's supposed to be good for you. So, and it smelled bad, but it was great for the skin. And while this was happening, some people showed up. It was an open farm day in Maine. So what that means is that a lot of people, a lot of farmers will have a little stand, farm stand, or expect guests to arrive, and they'll have a little bit of their produce or other things to sell, and then people can go and look at what how the farm works, and you can educate them about your farm. And some people showed up during this, and Myke and Kathryn showed them, what, how, what they were doing. I guess sheep shearing was scheduled probably for open farm day as well. And it was, the weather wasn't too bad. It was a little overcast, but like I always say, overcast is great for lighting.
I've been at this for 80 minutes.
You did it double.
Wow, so Kelly is almost all sheared up. You're just doing the last trim.
Little primping.
Little primping. Wow. So does it like make make them, because they regulate the temperature regardless,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
The fur actually helps them regulate the temperature.
Regulate the temperature and shed water.
Ah.
But there you go. The challenge is shearing like this. This would be called throwing. And doing this with a 300-pound ram is always less fun.
Which is next?
Which is next year.
Next year, okay.
I think we're gonna let him grow out a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. You want to stand up and we'll do it? You tell me what you want to do. All right, let's stand up and we'll do it. Han, will you brace her head? I just need to get that last bit of her neck. And then probably under her chest too would be great. Yeah, hold that here. Kelly had a run-in with an unknown predator
Oh no.
last year, or 2 years ago, and lost part of this ear over here. So,
Oh no.
because it's kind of flimsy flopsy, it's hard to shear her on it without second hand.
Where are you going now?
I just want to see her chest. Nope, they're backward. There you go. Don't pull too much, because you'll bring the skin up with it. Use the tips of the blades. Yep.
More?
A little bit more, be good. Now I'm just nitpicking. That's right.
Here, wait.
That is Kelly, who just got a finest haircut.
Nice haircut.
Okay.
Yeah.
Back into general population.
All right, bye, Kelly.
That's all right.
That's what was pulled out of the sheep, Kelly. All that wool.
Did you get a picture of her?
I didn't get a picture of her, but I can. I will at some point.
So what's the plan with all this wool now?
We'll probably compost it.
Compost, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
If we had more time, we might boil the lamb.
So what was that I'm just getting this for the video. What was that like moisturizer type substance on the wool that we were feeling earlier?
Lanolin.
What does that do?
It's a fat byproduct. It's a moisturizer. So
Ooh.
right now, after all year long of having rough hands, my hands are really smooth. Except they don't smell like vanilla or strawberry. They smell like sheep.
Fantastic. So that is Kelly, the sheep that just got sheared. And to her left is her baby with the tail. Not the big one, but the small one. And her baby is the same size as her. Well, now she's been hidden by the bigger sheep. She must feel so light, so different after so many years of having all that wool on her.
And that day I got to chop wood. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
That was good. That felt good.
Yeah. That's great.
There's the birthday stuff for.
But I paper too. Paper.
Nice.
And now a little bonus.
What do you have in your pocket? Oh my God. Is that a baby rabbit?
Yeah, he's only like 12 days old, and he's so big.
13.
13. What's his name?
Marshmallow.
Oh, Marshmallow is so cute. Oh my God. Wow, thank you.